Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Air Force One Protro by Nike and FC Barcelona and legendary American basketball player Kobe Bryant in the Persian violet colorway. These were released on the 20th of August 2024 here in the UK for the retail price of £134. I picked these up from the sneakers app, and unfortunately I've been sick this week and I somehow messed up the unboxing footage, so there's no unboxing right now. But it did come in a white snakeskin box with Kobe's signature in gold. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper, but it had like a reptilic print with gold Kobe logos on there, similar to the hang tag that's attached, which has a nice hologram image of the different features of the Air Force One Protro. They also included an extra set of purple laces, which was a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Along with special kits and merch, Nike, FC Barcelona and Kobe Bryant's estate released a purple and black Air Force One featuring all of a snakeskin print with black painted leather swoosh. Barcelona branding can be seen on the tongue, aglets and stacked React insoles. At the heel of the insoles and the heel of the shoes, you see a large Kobe logo finished with Kobe's signature on the lateral midsole. I love the little Kobe details with the logos and snakeskin pattern subtly added to the outsole. On feet, I recommend staying true to size. Normally Air Force Ones I go down half a size, but the stacked insoles make these feel a little bit more snug at the toe for me. I must note that the React Air soles are more comfortable than the regular Air Force One. And as usual, purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment Kobe to show me you enjoyed this video to the end. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Me personally, I had to sell these. I did not need them in my collection. I've been buying a lot recently. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.